Welcome back everyone to this issue of InSPAration Moments. We are moving on now to the Dori Recommends. And in this issue of Dori Recommends, I want to start with one quote. And the quote is, "The oldest and the strongest emotion of mankind is fear. And the oldest and the strongest kind of fear is fear of the unknown." This was written by H.P. Lovecraft. So why do people fear change? It's a mystery, right? Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of rejection, fear of criticism. It's like it's endless. Fear of the unknown. We have all these fears sometimes sitting right here, which stops us from learning and moving forward. Fear sometimes cripples us. So in the next Recipes for Success, I am doing a module specifically on how to not fight change and to be able to be flexible and actually implement. So here's some of the content that I'll be going over. First is how to acknowledge and accept change. Second is the stop of fearful thoughts that are going through your mind. Next is how to embrace change with an open mind, how you can become a better communicator of what changes you want to actually take place, and then of course keeping a sense of humor within your communication is extremely helpful when we're trying to make changes. So the bottom line is that change is inevitable. For all organizations today, we all have to change. So what we need to do is overcome that fear that change actually brings to us and stop it so we can change in a good way, in a positive way. Change can be frightening and disruptive. However, with the right attitude and actions, you will definitely succeed. So I want to invite you to join us for the next Recipes for Success and see how to welcome and implement change that leads to the success of your entire team and yours. So make sure you register below and join us for this phenomenal training. This training is designed for management as well as team members. So if you really want to build a strong team, the Recipes for Success are great modules for you to tap into and truly implement, and then you'll start seeing the great results. So I hope to see you then so we can explore how you can change within your workplace and succeed at the same time. Stay tuned for the product of the month, and until next time, stay inspired.